What's good, top class family? Tonight, I'm going to do a versus. Yeah, tonight, coconut curry some lobster versus brown stew fish. Alright, so stay tuned, show you the full preparation, and we really want you guys to leave your comment down below. Which one you rather? If you rather the brown stew fish, yeah. So this fish is called a turbot, or if you order the coconut, or if you order the coconut curry lobster. Alright, so we have two of them. So I'll go up and cook off right now, alright? Yeah, I'm gonna cook the both of them. So the coconut curry lobster versus the brown stew fish. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, please remember subscribe. Road to 10,000 subscribers. While watching and not subscribing, come on guys, subscribe, stay tuned. Top class.
For your own signature and your phone lock. No, you just, as long as you stay where you are all safe.
No, but it would be this.
Alright, so now everything done cook. So it's the coconut curry lobster versus fish. Let us see which one you guys rather. Which one you prefer, but no, stove turn off, so I'm showing you how it look. Yeah. So this is look of the lobster. Well curry down. Yeah. And the fish ketchup down. Yeah, so let me share them now. Show you what I want. So you know, my wife not eat lobster. She said scratch her throat. So yeah, me love lobster. So I go for my lobster, I cook her fish. Alright? Yeah, so we'll see what I go on. Share it out. So tell me in the comment section which one you guys rather. The lobster or the fish. Stay tuned. Yeah, so everything up and running now. Still have some lobster leaf back for tomorrow. Yeah, so this is my plate, you know. Lobster tail. Where's the judges to judge the food and see who shall win? Alright, so I give wife a fair food, you know, while me eat my food and sort out Ariana's food. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment down below. Yeah, the food is so delicious. Delicious. No, you don't have an applause, baby. Delicious. Finishing. Alright, so eating time. Yeah, big up on yourself. Can't wait to start eat. Yeah, so you know, to put on some for tomorrow. Yeah. Big up on yourself, people. How about?